what is Amazon PPC? By the end of this video, you'll have a much greater understanding of what Amazon PPC is and how it can benefit your business. Amazon PPC, or pay-per-click, is Amazon's advertising platform. It allows sellers to create ads for their products and display them in prominent positions on Amazon search results and product detail pages. When a shopper searches for a product on Amazon, they'll see these ads at the top of search results, alongside organic listings, which are these. Sponsored listings almost look identical to organic listings, except from the small sponsored tag beneath the main image. Amazon PPC operates on an auction-based system. Sellers bid on keywords relevant to their products, and when a shopper types in those keywords in search results, Amazon runs an auction and the highest bidder wins the ad placement. And of course, the more you bid, the higher you will appear in sponsored search results. You only pay when a shopper clicks on your ad, hence pay-per-click. This makes PPC a cost-effective way to drive traffic to your listings, because you're only paying for actual clicks and not impressions. Although if you don't budget wisely, your advertising spend can very quickly run out. Effective PPC campaigns can significantly increase your product's visibility and sales. But like any tool, it requires strategy and optimization. Simply bidding high won't guarantee success. It's about finding the right balance between cost and return. The first step of Amazon PPC is thorough keyword research. Now, I use tools such as Helium 10 Cerebro, X-Ray, and Magnet to find terms shoppers use to find products similar to mine. Now, these keywords should be highly relevant to your product and have good search volume. Next, you need to set up your campaigns. So we've got 3 campaigns to choose from: sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Now, if you don't have brand registry, you'll only be able to launch a sponsored product ad. If you do have brand registry, you can launch all 3. Each ad type has its own advantages. Sponsored products are the most common and are a great place to start. You'd want to press continue here. To launch your campaign, you'll need to select your campaign name, select what product you're targeting, decide whether you're launching an auto campaign or manual targeting campaign, so phrase, broad, exact. Select your bid, negate some phrases or exact match keywords you don't want to appear on. Negate some products here. Select your bidding strategy. So we've got dynamic bids up and down, dynamic bids down only, and fixed bids. Enter in your campaign name, pick a portfolio, select a start date, and then decide on an advertising budget. If you're after a detailed explanation of how to launch a campaign, check out the video here. Once your campaigns are live, monitor their performance closely. Key metrics to watch include click-through rate, your CTR, conversion rate, advertising cost of sale, ACOS. Adjust your bids and keywords based on what's working and what's not. Perhaps there's a specific term in your auto campaign that takes up the majority of the budget, however you don't convert, you'd want to negate that. Another factor of PPC that a lot of people miss is your click-through rate, your CTR. It is crucial for success. A high CTR means your ad is compelling and relevant to shoppers. To improve your CTR, focus on your main image and title. The main image should be high quality and eye-catching, and the title should be clear, keyword-rich, and informative. These elements make your ad more attractive and can significantly boost clicks and conversions. Finally, PPC is not set it and leave it. You want to continuously optimize your campaigns, whether that be increase bids, decrease bids, negate a certain keyword or phrase, increase your bid by placement, increase your top of search, or decrease your top of search percentage, add some more targets, and the list goes on. Always optimize your campaigns so that they perform the best for you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you're after some help with your Amazon PPC campaigns, our agency specializes in Amazon listing optimizations, account management, and PPC management. Visit our website down below to learn more, and you can book a one-to-one discovery call with me and we'll have a chat.